Hello everybody.
Hello.
In this video, we're gonna make Pandora beads.
We're going to need strips of paper and knitting needles. These are 7 millimeters. You can kind of see that too, I'm sure. 7 millimeters. And we have these eyelets that are 6 millimeters. So you can buy these in a kit, or your grandmother might also have some from sewing. So the paper looks like one thing, but the beads look like something else. Take the pink beads, for example. The pink and purple beads come from this paper here. And our bead right here, that's different colors of pink and purple and green and beige, this comes from this paper here. So it's hard to know, and it's a surprise. It's hard to know what the bead will look like when you're done. So that's a mystery. Okay, I'd like to see what these green beads look like. But let's make another surprise, Sophia. Okay, and let's see, would you like to pick out a paper?
Okay. This one.
This rectangle, what we have to do is we have to cut the rectangle in half to make a diagonal shape, because this will help our bead to look fatter in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna cut our paper. So now we have enough for 2 beads of this other blue, Sophia.
Okay.
So let's explain how we're gonna go do this. We're gonna start with a rectangle and then do the longer, okay? So, Sophia, you're gonna grab a knitting needle. I'm gonna grab a knitting needle, okay? And we need a little bit of glue stick. We're gonna wrap our paper around the middle of the knitting needle.
Okay.
When you finish rolling up your rectangle, then with a little more glue stick, we're gonna keep rolling. And now we're gonna take our second longer piece and put it right in the middle. And now this is going to get, here, I'll pass this over to you. This is going to get shorter in the center. We'll stick on that triangle. Look, Sophia, show them in the camera.
Look.
That's all the way finished. And I'm gonna wrap my second piece around. Sophia, you're gonna take a little bit of glue stick.
Okay.
And glue that little tail on top. We roll it around. I've just glued my paper bead, and now I'm going to slide it off. And put an eyelet.
Okay.
There we are, beautiful. So now you can see that we have our beads with our paper, and the glue has dried transparent, but it's not shiny. So, a very easy solution. We're going to use, hey Sophie, we're going to use nail polish to make them shiny. Sophia, can you get 2 pencils ready for me, please?
Okay.
We're going to paint the paper with nail polish. And sometimes we use polyurethane varnish. But nail polish is something that maybe you'll have at home.
Yeah.
After you paint with nail polish, then we need to let it dry without getting it sticky. So we take a pencil or a marker, just like this one, and then we can put it right here in our basket to dry, okay? Let's see where we can put this to dry so they can see right here. Here's a little craft basket, and we'll stick it right here to dry. Okay, and the other one? Nail polish all the way around. And we're on our way to make Pandora beads. It's fun because the different papers give you different beads. I ordered these eyelets on Amazon. In Spanish, they're called ojales. 6 millimeters. I think it's a nice size because they look like the Pandora beads. So now you can see that we have our beads with our paper, and the glue has dried transparent, but it's not shiny. So, very easy solution. We're going to use, hey Sophie, we're going to use nail polish to make them shiny. Sophia, can you get 2 pencils ready for me, please?
Okay.
We're going to paint the paper with nail polish. And sometimes we use polyurethane varnish, but nail polish is something that maybe you'll have at home.
Yeah.
After you paint with nail polish, then we need to let it dry without getting it sticky. So we take a pencil or a marker, just like this one, and then we can put it right here in our basket to dry, okay? Okay, now we're gonna continue so you can see this again and again. We're gonna make 2 more beads, okay?
Okay.
And Sophia, come show us the beads that we finished already. We have them drying. You see how they were drying on the tops of the sticks. After we put our nail polish, we have to let them dry. Here's the 2 that were on the markers, and let's pop them off and see what they look like. Beautiful beads. We have 2 that came from the blue paper and 2 that came from the white paper. So that makes a nice combination. Sophia, let's make 2 more.
Okay.
This is going to be the green paper. And remember, this is a size 6 knitting needle. But since our circles are 6 millimeters, our eyelets are 6 millimeters, this is too small because we can't put the inside in the paper. So let's get out the size 7 knitting needles, Sophie. Okay, here's Sophia. Get it nice and tight. And now?
Now, I'm gonna put the next roll. Oops, the other one. This way. And just wrap it.
Okay. Very good. All the way to the end. Make sure that your triangle's in the middle, Sophia. We're going to move it over a little bit. There we go. Finger, glue stick, glue stick, glue stick. So that we're going to stick the center of our bead right in the middle and keep winding it up. See how the paper goes in the center right there? Good, good, good. And the colors look really pretty. Each one is different. That's why these beads are so creative. Good. And if I have enough glue stick, it should stick right in the middle. Now we will slide this off of our knitting needle and right away get the papers right in the middle. You can still move it around a bit. Now we're going to put our glue, and Sophia, I think I'll need another eyelet. I'm going to put one on now and one on in a minute. Put the glue all the way around. Beautiful. And then put this right on the top. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put the eyelet on the other side and let it dry on the table. Very good. And let's have the silver color for these so that they're all the same.
See.
1 and 2. Okay, great. Would you like to start with the nail polish right away? Okay. Great.
Let's see. Turn.
Turn, turn, turn. But let's see what other colors look like. Here we have a scrapbooking paper that's pink and red, and on the other side, pink with flowers. Let's make 2 of these, but you will have centimeters. Here's more or less a centimeter. I'm going to go ahead and cut another centimeter. I have my rectangle and my long triangle, which is the flower paper. And then let's try one that's the other side, which is going to be red and pink. And then I'll just do these as if it were one. Get my glue stick and start rolling. We'll see what happens. Here we have it. From these 2 scrapbooking papers, we will get these 2 beads. Now we can tell you what to do with these beautiful beads once you have them. We went from using these sticks and paper and a bit of glue, and we made all of these beads. We had so many I put them on pencils. So we have our beautiful Pandora beads. And Sophia, do you want to choose? Let's see, what we're going to do is make a necklace using t-shirt yarn. Okay, so do you want to choose 5 different beads?
Okay.
Okay, oh, there's Brownie.
Yeah.
Should we use this green or blue or dark green? What would you like?
Maybe this one's fine.
Okay, blue.
One,
Okay, we'll
two.
take a blue. So what I like to do with our beads,
Alright, there you go.
you can do different ways. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can put them on straight away. Well, that's a nice mix of beads. You can put them straight away and put them right on. 1 and 2. There you are. Let's just see how that looks. Oh, they're beautiful, Sophia. Let's take a look close up. Very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And 1 and 2. This will be a bracelet with 3 beads. What I'm going to do with this is close it right over left, left over right, and 1, 2, and 3. And here we have a Pandora bracelet. Really great. Nice job, Sophie. Pandora time. Now let me show you what to do just with paper and scissors and a glue stick. You can still make paper beads. You'll need 3 pieces of paper. They are 3 centimeters long, and you can cut with scissors. 1 and 2 are white, and 1 is colors with colored pencil. Paper beads are fun. 1 for 1 bead, 1 for another round. You'll have to find a round pencil and wrap it along your pencil. These are going to be flatter and longer beads. Close it with a glue stick. And now add your triangle. Put your triangle right in the middle. And roll, roll, roll. Here I go. And now we'll start to see all of the colors in our paper. So you see, you can make it just with paper. They're beautiful. I'm going to put glue stick on the end, just like our Pandora beads. And we're going to close off this bead. Okay, we can adjust it. And I have my first bead. Beautiful paper beads.